Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the warmest day of the year. It's the 29th of June and today my pink parcel has arrived, one day ahead of schedule. Super excited. If for those of you that don't know, Pink Parcel is a subscription box. You pay $12.99 a month, and I do actually have a code down below if you were interested, where you can get your first box, I think, for $9.99. Go and have a little look. But yeah, it's a monthly period box for women. You get to customise it with your personal preferences for sanitary wear, and you also get to choose the date that it comes. So yeah, it's just perfect for you and your period, and it has treats inside it. Yes, that is why I get it. I get it for the treats, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, it arrives, nice little box, and inside it looks like this. Mine's bursting open, as you can see. It's bursting open, it won't stay shut. But I am in love with this month's box, right? You get a Pink Parcel post to start with, that's that one there. This is the Glow Edit, and it gives you a little bit of info about all the snazzy products inside the box, and a little bit of a promotion about their shop. They've got a shop online and they're doing free delivery. You get a little bag in each month. This month we've got a Bandies bag. I am loving this bag. It's white, it's got gold on it, it's very snazzy. And in here you have little bits for your handbag, so you've got some sanitary wear in there in case you need it when you're out and about. You've got your For Night box, which just has night towels in it. And then for later, this just has your preferences for later. I like to get a mix of things, you know, keep it interesting. And then you get your For You box. So this box is the most exciting box. I'm very excited to have a little sneaky peek. I have had a quick look just to make sure everything was okay. Last month I did have an item missing, but they did send it out to me, so it wasn't a big deal. But yeah, let's dive right in and see what treats we've got this month. So here we go, this is the box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first item is some Joe and Steph's popcorn. This is just one of their minis. This is some caramel and Belgian chocolate popcorn. I love Joe and Steph's popcorn. I've actually done a video on it, I'll link it above. They even do a subscription box service. Their popcorn is amazing. I can never rate it highly enough. Definitely go and check it out, and I'm gonna eat that up. Yes, I am. The second product that I've got in my box this month is this one here. This is the Balance Me Fresh Cleanse Micellar Water. Now, I've actually tried this before and it didn't agree with my skin, but I know some people absolutely love it. So yeah, it's just a micellar water. It is a sample size, but you know, really handy if you are going away for the summer for a nice refreshing way to take off your makeup. Oh, next we have a tea, and this looks really nice. So this is We Are Tea Super Berry Infusion Tea, and it's a whole leaf tea bag. Packed full of berries, this infusion tea tastes as good as it looks, bright and beautiful with a superb fruity flavour, and it's extremely refreshing. Do you know, I think I'm going to drink that today because it is so hot. I'm not even like wearing jeans today. I've got my shorts on, I'm going out, I can't be inside, it is clammy, and I think I might take some cold tea with me. Okay, so the next two products are two 15ml masks, which looks quite interesting. So they are by Mudmasky, and one is a facial detoxifying, purifying recovery mask, which is pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening and soothing. Is that one there? And the second one is a sleep repair renewal nourishing mask, which is repairing, hydrating, rejuvenating, soothing and protecting. This is more me. Wash your face and hands, apply a thin layer to your face, leave mask on during the night for at least 5 hours. Ooh, maximum 10. Ooh, I'm sure I can manage that. Remove the mask in the morning with warm water, finish with cold water. Use every night before going to bed. Oh, so it's a daily one. Snazzy. That's cool. I like the idea of trying night masks. I've never tried them before. These are not tested on our animals. They are paraben free and have natural ingredients, and they're from the Netherlands. I've never heard of Mudmasky before, so I'll have to have a little look and find out about them. Okay, now this is a brand that I recognise, and I'm so excited for this. I've wanted one of these to try it for forever, and this is the Magma Tone Wipeout Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. Removes makeup with just water. Now I have reviewed a Primark version of this, I'll link that above. That didn't go too well, so I'm super excited to try this. So basically it's a microfiber cloth that basically is meant to take off your makeup, and you're meant to be able to use like both sides, like one day, one the next day, pop it in the wash, reuse it, and it's meant to be like impregnated, so you can like just keep on using it and you never have to use any products to take your makeup off. Machine washable and a cool wash. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, pop it into the machine, wash it at 30 degrees, ready to wipe away your makeup. Wet the cloth with warm water, use a circular motion to gently wipe away makeup. Okay, grabs and holds with the microfibers, smear proof and double-sided, eco-friendly, reusable 1,000 times. You can use this 1,000 times and it will remove all your makeup. The one that I used from Primark just kind of like left like a pink fuzz all over my face, which was a very unpleasant sensation, I must admit. So I'm very excited to try this one. Yeah, that will definitely be a review. Super excited. Okay, and last but not least, we have this one here. What is it? Star Drops. Lightly activated glow drops from Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. So we have had a lot of Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics, I'm not gonna lie, and some of it I've loved, some of it I've not really been bothered by. And this sounds like, ooh, here we go, there we are, that's the little product there for you. Yeah, it reminds me of the Balm Merry Luminizer liquid highlighter. Oh, okay. Just gonna put some on my hand so we can have a little look at what that looks like. So it's just like a gold cream highlighter. I suppose you could do it as a liquid eyeshadow maybe. Yeah, it's like a skin illuminator really, isn't it? You get, how many mils is in here? Not many by the looks of it. 0.2 fluid ounces. Okay, it's got a pipette on it and I'm pressing the pipette, but it doesn't seem to be sucking up any product, which is a shame. I don't really know what to say about that. Maybe if I give it a shake, see if I can get some more. Press the pipette. Oh, I got a little bit. A little bit. Okay, let's have a go. It's quite thick. There we go. Yeah, nice and shimmery. You could definitely use that as like a body shimmer, or a highlighter, something like that. Yeah, very happy with that. Doesn't feel too oily either. Some of them feel quite oily, so yeah, very excited to try that. Okay, so let's just have a little look at the prices. The Jelly Pong Pong comes in at £32 for 6 mils, and this is full size, so this is £32. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to be using it a bit more sparingly than what I just did. But yeah, £32 for 6 mils. To complement a dewy complexion and really up your glow factor, mix in a few drops of this light activated formula into your moisturiser or foundation for a subtle golden sheen, or apply directly to cheekbones for an illuminating highlighter. Yeah, so you can use it in lots of different ways, and yeah, I'm very happy with that actually. I think that's really nice for summer. and when it's really, really hot like it is today. Okay, Joe and Steph's Popcorn. It is £4 for an 80g bag, and this is 16 grams. So this is just a sample, and you can get them at joeandstephspopcorn.co.uk. And as I said, they are amazing. The teas, berry infusion, you can get for 15 cups of tea for £2.99 at wearetea.com. Okay, so the night mask, the Mud Mask Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask, is £60 for 60 mils, and this is 15 mils. So that's really good, really. That's quite a good sample size. You can only get it at pinkparcel.co.uk at the moment. I'm sure there are other places, but that's the only place it's telling me to get it from. Same as the facial detoxifying one, that is also £60 for 60 mils, and you can get that from pinkparcel.com. The micellar cleansing water, this is £16 for 180 mils, and you can get Balance Me from lots of different companies. I think even like John Lewis do it, so if you like brand, you know, it's quite accessible. Okay, and last but not least, the Magma Tone London Wipeout. So these usually come in a pack of 2 for £14.99, so they're worth about £7 each. So that's pretty good value. I'm really impressed with this month's box actually, because I feel like you've got a lot of value for money. You know, you've got the £7 Magma Tone, you've got the full size Jelly Pong highlighter kind of thing going on. You've got your healthy popcorn snack, you've got some tea, you've got some face masks, and you've got a micellar cleansing water. I'm not really bothered by that, but the rest of it, whoa, super happy, super happy. Yeah, really happy with this month's box, really pleased, looking forward to using these products and reviewing and testing them for you guys. I hope you enjoy getting your pink parcel this month. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, bye bye.